Welcome to the Thompson. Visbean Architects' innovative front approach allows for lakefront living to be the priority for this home design.
I'm standing in the Thompson, and this is a home that lacks for nothing. As you can see behind me, this home has one of the most beautiful kitchens you could imagine. The large granite countertop, the beautiful island seating, surrounded by beautiful cabinetry and accessories, light coming in from every side of the home. This is just a truly amazing home. As you can see as we move around this particular floor plan, it's wide open, but it's not open in the way we traditionally do an open floor plan. There's a circulation pattern between the living room, the master sitting room, the master suite, the kitchen, the dining area, that really allows you to move through the house easily and have incredible views of the lake.
Here we have another home where I can't decide if I'm more in love with the Phantom screens and what they do to the home, or the home, what they do to the Phantom screens, because it is a beautiful marriage on this front porch for sure. A porch like this might almost look impossible to screen, but that's the beauty of working with an architect like Wayne Visbean. Look at these tapered columns and how our tracks are absolutely hidden in them. So when the screen's in use, you don't see them, and when the screens aren't in use, you don't see them. On this front porch, we have 5 of our motorized Phantom screens that just do a perfect job of protecting the front porch from unwanted bugs, insects, or rodents. And on the back of the home, they've added the Phantom door screen on a number of their doors. By having the Phantom screens incorporated throughout this entire home, on the front of the house and on the back of the house, when they're all in use, it can create ventilation through the entire home, drawing the breeze in through that you don't even need an air conditioner. It saves on energy costs and is just a wonderful, light, airy feeling when you are working in the house.
The porch in this home is one of the most important features, and the Phantom screens have added such a great level of usability to it. The tapered columns make it a little bit more difficult, but as you can see, the craftsmanship which were used to put these in has really made it work beautifully. And the long expanse that Phantom offers with the screen in the center is an amazing open view to the lake. One of the most interesting aspects of this particular home is that it faces the lake as well as the street. So unlike most cottages, lakefront homes that we design, we're not able to put a front door where you'd expect it. So the Thompson actually has a door down the side drive, and it's really a spectacular entry statement as you walk up to the home and see the beautiful porch which wraps around 3/4 of the home. As you can see, there are doors that open to the porch from the living room, and also that living room opens up to the kitchen, the dining area, and then the sitting area off the master suite. This allows the porch to have complete access from each of the rooms and also make the home very great for circulating at a party or entertaining. The Thompson has 3 beautiful guest suites on the 2nd floor, and the stair itself is a beautiful statement as you walk up the stair and have a view of the incredible rear yard, which has beautiful gardens, a pool, an outdoor fireplace, and just a great place to get away from the winds of the large lake.
One of the for sure things that sets Phantom screens apart is our service and our Phantom experience that we wish to deliver. Anytime a homeowner has their screens installed, our screens come with a limited lifetime warranty, so you have the peace of mind knowing we will be there for you when you need us.